Do you own a conservatory that's become a wasted space, a room that you barely acknowledge because it annoys and disappoints at the lack of use? It's either too cold, too hot, or too noisy, or maybe even leaks. Most people are completely in the dark about how or what the possibilities are to resolve this and need more clarity about the options and choices available. Hi, my name is Rob Yates, the owner at Eco Conservatory Solutions. In this video I will walk you through a recent installation stage by stage with photographs. This is the perfect solution for lean-to conservatories. Let's take a look at the original conservatory with the plastic roof known as an ultralight 250. From the inside, the old conservatory roof has completely discoloured, it leaks and it looks very tired. On top of that, the customer's conservatory is south facing and was too hot in summer and too cold in winter. So let's start the installation process. As you can see, we begin to remove the old panels one by one. It's a fairly simple process to remove these old panels, and with this installation it only took an hour or so. Once all the panels have been removed, we can start to prepare for the new roof. And here's the view from the other side. So now we begin the installation of the 65mm aluminium insulated panels. As you can see, we started centrally with the first panel. We then couple and join the panels together. This photo now shows 3 panels installed. All the panels are now installed, but not yet complete. Let's take a look inside and see the internal view. I think you'll agree it looks a lot better than the original roof. And a bird's eye view from outside of the new roof. The new roof is now installed and complete. This conservatory looks great and it will now be fit for any season. These aluminium solid insulated panels are perfect for lean-to or low-pitch conservatory roofs. Solid tiled roofs require a 14-degree minimum pitch. The installation you have just seen barely has a 5-degree pitch. The panels can be made from 16mm thickness to 100mm. They are aluminium externally and PVC internally. Colours are available externally. We install a sound absorbing layer as standard. We at Eco Conservatory Solutions offer an online quotation service. All you need to do is go to our website and fill in the form, which requires a photograph of your conservatory. It's that easy, and we will send you a quotation to your inbox. Hopefully you've enjoyed this walk-through installation video. If you have any questions, then please get in touch. Details on how to are below this video.